How to log into your Verizon Wireless account. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and then tap on the search bar and simply search for Verizon Wireless login. Hit enter and you'll be taken directly to the login page. So from here, click on the first link that you see and you'll land directly on the login page for Verizon. So here you just have to enter your user ID and then your password. Once you do that, just click on login and you should be able to log into your account. And in case you've forgotten your password, just click on this forgot password page. They'll ask you for your user ID and then just enter your user ID, complete this surreal CAPTCHA, and then from here you could just get a verification code on your email. Then you can reset your password. And from here, just click on sign in or login, and then you should be able to log into your account. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.